Ladies, have you ever looked in the mirror and wished to be robust, assured, and energetic at long last? Today, I will give women fitness advice that will change your view of your body and assist you in finding the quickest methods to reduce weight without feeling hungry or fatigued. Stick with me to the end since I'll disclose a stunning secret about how to lose weight naturally and safely in 7 days. I was having difficulties some years ago. I experimented with all the fast weight loss diets, but nothing was sustainable long term. Although I tallied every calorie, past meals, and even attempted to determine how many calories I should eat to lose weight, all I felt was weary and irritated. Then I discovered that fitness is more about developing permanent routines and paying attention to what your body needs than it is about figures. I have been just where you are if you want to reduce water weight quickly or tired of yo-yo dieting and ask how to lose weight without exercise. Before we get into these practical advice, share in the comments your worst battle losing weight. I'm open to your story. Start small. Focus on steps. First tip. The first suggestion is straightforward but potent. Walking is undervalued. Simply monitoring your daily step count to lose weight can start your progress. Did you not know? Aim for at least 1,000 steps every day. This one behavior by itself will enable you to lose weight quicker than you believe. And the secret sauce for losing weight rapidly naturally is combining deliberate eating with daily steps. Tip 2. Understand your calories without obsessing. Let's next consider calories. Many women worry about how many calories they should eat to lose weight or search endlessly for how many calories to lose weight. Here's a basic instruction. Multiply your aim body weight by 12. Aim for roughly 1680 calories daily, for instance, if your aim is 140 pounds. This produces a modest shortfall without starving yourself. Here, consistency is significantly more successful than severe limiting. By the way, if you have tried tracking calories previously, leave a comment below and let us know if it made you insane or helped you. Third tip, beat water weight and drink. Staying hydrated is among the simplest ways to see fast body changes. Should you be asking how to drop water weight, the answer is more, not less. Drink. Sodium and toxins are flushed out at least 2 to 3 liters daily. One of the most efficient methods to drop weight without resorting to anything drastic is this. You will feel lighter, and your digestion will improve greatly. Tip 4. Instead of being fixated on the scale, use progress photographs. Muscle weighs more than fat, and water retention varies daily. Hence, the scale can lie. Weekly progress photographs taken instead of obsessively weighing yourself. For weight loss, this approach is far more inspirational because you will notice your body changing even when the number remains the same. Recall that the aim is not only to drop weight rapidly, but also to become powerful, feel alive, and establish long-lasting habits. Tip 5. Give sleep and stress alleviation top priority. Most videos don't tell you this. Low sleep and high stress mess up your metabolism. Start getting 7 to 8 hours of excellent sleep and engage in stress-reducing exercises, such yoga, meditation, or journaling if you want to learn how to fastly lose weight naturally. Better sleep also helps control the hormones that fuel hunger, therefore simplifying adherence to your schedule. All right, here is the secret you waited for. Should you be seeking for solutions on how to shed weight in 7 days, this week concentrate on 3 areas. 1. Walk 1,000 steps every day. 2. Consume whole meals with a calorie budget determined by your ideal weight. 3. Drink 3 liters of water daily. These basic actions will enable you to lose 3 to 5 pounds safely, mostly from water weight and bloating, without rigorous diets. Comment, "I'm ready," below if you're anxious to try this, and I will celebrate you. Ladies, bear in mind that you are able of reaching your objectives. Whether you're researching weight loss strategies, wanting to reduce weight, or looking for the quickest methods to shed weight, it all boils down to making regular, little, daily efforts. If you find these ideas useful, press the like button. Subscribe for more uplifting videos on fitness advice for ladies, and pass this on to a buddy who needs inspiration right away. Don't forget, comment below with your questions or success stories. I read every one of them. keep strong, stay motivated, and I will see you in the next video.